Lady Umuigboekunie. I'm the President General of this association.
Okay. So why are we here today?
We are here today because we are holding our first physical meeting of the association. We've been doing our meetings and everything we've been doing have been online. But today we decided to make it physical so that we get to know ourselves and also introduce our vision for people to understand and hear us more.
So your first outing, how will you assess it today?
Excellent. Excellent. It is beyond what I expected because people turned out, our royal fathers were invited, our trustees, all the people we expected to come, they were all present.
As the first President General of an Igbo Cultural Association in the whole of Lagos State, even beyond, what gave you the impression or the idea into bringing an association that you want to develop your land, the Igbo land? How did you come to this vision?
Well, what brought this vision into me is the fact that I know that Igbos have a lot of organizations and then we have a lot of it all over the whole place. But one thing Igbos lack in all the organizations we have all been involved is the fact that we discriminate. We are always talking about state, your village, where you're coming from. So that motivated me to pioneer this particular organization whereby we won't talk about states, we won't talk about where you're coming from. All we're talking about is that you're an Igbo person. You have the blood of an Igbo running in you. So we do not want to know whichever state you're coming from. Just the fact that you are a bona fide Igbo speaking person and you have the blood, our blood running in your veins. That is all that.
Okay, I understand that the core value of this organization is empowerment in terms of making people be self-reliant and having something that will fetch them something in the pocket. How do you hope to actualize this?
Well, we know that it is not easy to encourage people to trust you and invest in your vision. It is never easy, considering the fact that a whole lot of people have been betrayed and they lost trust in anything that organizations are doing like this. But we are living, we know that we have genuine people involved and we've been marketing our ideas to our fathers, our royal fathers, our trustees, all our illustrious sons and daughters of Igbo land across the globe. And we sell our ideas to them and they believe in us and they know that we are able and capable, that they're going to trust us and they believe in this vision and we know that they will trust us and invest in our vision.
I wish you all the best. Please, your name once again.
My name is Chief Lady Umuigboekunie,
the President General.
President General of Umuigboekunie Association.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.